Did you know that 95% of your daily actions are controlled by your subconscious mind? That's right, your subconscious mind is the hidden powerhouse shaping your thoughts, habits, and even your success. Think of your subconscious as a supercomputer, always running in the background. It absorbs everything, your beliefs, emotions, and past experiences, then uses them to shape your reality. So, if you constantly tell yourself, "I can't do this," guess what? Your subconscious accepts it as truth, but the good news is, you can reprogram it. Here are 3 powerful ways to tap into your subconscious mind and take control of your life. Affirmations. Speak positive statements daily. Say, "I am confident, I am successful." The more you repeat it, the more your subconscious believes it. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your success. Your mind can't tell the difference between imagination and reality, so use that to your advantage. Meditation. Quiet your thoughts. Meditation helps you access deeper parts of your mind, making positive changes easier. Many successful people, from athletes to entrepreneurs, have mastered these techniques to turn their dreams into reality. So, are you ready to harness the power of your subconscious mind? Start today and watch how your life transforms. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, keep growing and keep believing.